was watching William Mancel's video that he put out about Yale lever locks, and it suddenly dawned on me that the reason I hadn't been able to find the mechanism for a warded lock in this little Yale that Culper Woodhull sent me was because this is a tiny little lever. It's a tiny little Yale lever. So I got out my scope, hooked it up to my camera, or my old cell phone camera. I recorded some video, hopefully it turns out, of the inside of the lock, because I don't have a digital little recorder here, and this one works pretty good. So anyway, did that, and I think I figured out how to tension it. I was just playing around, and when I let off my tensioner, I heard something drop. So I think I had a lever at least part way set or overset or something, but at least it confirms to me anyway that there are levers in this thing. So put the scope thing away because I'm not going to be using it while I'm picking. Turn this off. Put that contraption away. And let's see if we can't make some progress on this. What I'm using for tension is the cheap Chinese pick set that I have. This weird squared off hook. Trick is finding the right spot to tension. I think that's it. And then I have to get in here. I'm using my Tron to get in here beside it. I don't think I'll ever actually be able to pick it this way, but I'm at least having fun experimenting. And thank you to William Mancel for his video about Yale lever locks. I will post a link to his channel, that video specifically, here and down there. If you're interested at all, please go check it out. He's got one that he has torn apart so he can show you the levers and how the mechanism works and where the bolt is to tension. It was all the information. I realize you just can't see what I'm doing, can you? This is a really clumsy way of doing this. Okay. I think that's one of them that's springy. To release tension, come over to the other side of the tensioner. Find that dang lever, which is not easy working around here and trying to let you see something. I don't know if I'm applying too much tension or not enough. I don't know how much spring tension this bolt has, but you hear that? Snap back. There's something setting. Problem is I'm having a hard time working around my tensioner. Let's try a different version of this hook, different angle. I don't know for sure how far they have to move. There's also wards in there, so try and... dang it. Okay, so that lever's there. About there. That's this lever. We got one there. Got one there. I think it's 3 levers. Might be more, but from what I can see through the scope anyway, it's 3 obvious levers. And it's open. Thank you, William Mancel. You're a genius. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. Guys, go check out his video. He just cleared this one out of my naughty bucket. I'd give him full credit for that. I wouldn't have gotten here without his input. And he didn't even mean to. I don't think he had even seen my video about this when he put that up. So, brilliant. I am so excited. I'm as excited for this, I think, as I was for opening that, just because I've been so baffled by this thing. Wow. Other than my naughty bucket. Well, close it. It can just sit in the collection now. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Check out William Mancel's video. Check out his channel. If you don't already, please subscribe. And remember, keep it legal.